This is NOAA Weather Radios. The National Weather Service in Pleasant Hill has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Cass County, western Henry County, Bates County, southwestern Johnson County, Missouri, until 1:30 p.m. At 12:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Kingsville to near Garden City to 6 miles south of Drexel, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Harrisonville, Pleasant Hill, Butler, Holden, Adrian, Garden City, Rich Hill, Archie, Zurich, Montrose, Creighton, Chilhowie, East Lynn, Kingsville, Baldwin Park, Amsterdam, Strasburg, Gun City, Blairstown, and Merwin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri: Bates, Cass, Henry, and Johnson. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station, KIG 77 in Kansas City. Severe weather is occurring in the listening area. Stay tuned for the latest severe weather information.